So we're back another video again guys. Marinig ko na boses ko. Sana marinig ko na boses ko. Peace talaga. Start. Uy, my friend. So looks like we're losing, but it's okay. There's only a content. Let's try win. If it's hard, it's okay. It's okay, but whoa. What is name? Oxygen 1. Oh shit. It's a pro player. Shit man, nice game. So narinig boss ko eh. I hope narinig ang boses ko. I hope you can hear my voice, my friend. Boss napakahina. Lakasan ko na nga lang. Well, let's start legend. And see this my friend. Oh my god, our H1 Cobra. AH1 Cobra. Oh my god. I almost had this chopper man. Man, it's been 4 months since I unlocked the 3 chopper. I started this game and my level is 17. If you watch my old vid, my friend, just go watch it. That's what level I started. 17, grabe gar. Gano'n na tayo katagal? Oh, pansin no? Ban kasi dyan tinggal dugtot eh. Content lang boy. Hindi ka pro, huwag ka magmagaling. Kasi nga, content lang to eh. Daming kolorum ah. Kaliwat kanan ng kolorum oh. Kita mo yun gara? Kaliwat kanan ng kolorum boy. Kolorum dito, kolorum doon. Ano ka nala? Hindi ganito. Ingin ng mga aso. Yan na yan. Pahingahin dyan. Set them. Ingin ng paligid guys. Allied Forces pala. Loko ka. Allied Forces ka pala gar. Punyeta. Sorry, mura ako dun. Oh my goodness ka. Just take the point my friend. Capture nyo na lang. My friend, why? It's okay man. I'm just gonna support. Oh yeah. My friend, run. Dude. Gago mga allied pala to. Ang pangit naman, papasupo tayo garo. Nakita nyo yung garo. Yan, nag-flare na tayo garo. Tama, diba? Grabe ka talaga, Devlops. Ayoko na gumamit ng chopper muna. Nag-flare ka na lahat. Napatay ka pa din. Ay, naku, Devlops. Ay, naku talaga. Sana naman guys, parating ito kay Devlops. So, tingnan nyo to. person. But it's okay for your friend. See that? 68 but still being killed. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Oh shit. Ah? What? How? I'm supposed to be second, man. Dude, what the heck? It's unfair, man. Okay, okay, I know that. Develops you're such no, a troll developer. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Take off, take off, take off, take off. I got him. Take off na. Start, take off in. Take off pa naman tayo, take off, take off. Gwen? Grabe. Mas ano pa natin, no? Gusto ko naman. Sige lang. Hindi mo kasi natin napilit eh. Alam mo na ako eh. Tara. Shit. Ay na. Here we go, we back again. First time. I can. Sorry, bro. I'm sorry. I can do it. Oh shit. Grabe background guys. Kaya background eh. Hindi na lang yan. Ito na kung masasok. Yung tayo dito. Grabe mo yun. Gusto ko ilugtot. Ilugtot tayo. Ba't igogo? Ayaw ikaw. Gugulong yung base mo. Kala mo. First time we don't get to the record. First time, man. Oh shit. Grabe. Alam mo sila laki na isa lumalaban sila. Tutulungan nga na lumalaban sila. Wait lang. Mabaka pa ko, wait lang. Angat tayo. Agay ko lang gano'n. Aangat tayo, my friend. Angat. My friend, lang yan. Oh shit, sobra man. Kuha na yung ubay. Ako, samit-samit siya. Kuha na yung aiming. Kuha na yung aim. Grabe. Magbabawi tayo, God. Babawi tayo. Oh, shit. We're gonna retaliate. Retaliation now. Saan mo ba? Siyempre, nakill pa natin yan. Yes. Yes, sir. Sila pa, friend. Oh, shit. Tumikloro. Oh, parachute, 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 parachute. Suka natin yung gan, kaya yun gan. Ah! Shit! Kala ko may Ginkgo Warzone na tayo gan. Putik. Putik na con Warzone na pahiya ko. That my friend, that's a call affiliate with Warzone. Failure my friend. Failure. It's okay, it's okay. Oh yes. Shit. Man, it's nice. 13, 14. Let's go. Thanks for watching, my friend. Thanks for watching. Yo.